earnings season, so that earnings news flow, of course, is behind us. We've started off absolutely flat this Monday morning for the Nifty 50, for the Sensex and the Nifty Bank. We're not seeing any meaningful trade whatsoever, at least on the key indexes. Let's start with talking about individual stocks. We've been talking about Dixon, Keynes, as well as Sirma. Other than, of course, EMS, Keynes has also signed an MOU with Boscame to expand the localized computing products in India. So that's the other stock which is also in focus. There is GHCL, wherein the NGT has dismissed all 3 appeals challenging clearances for its greenfield soda ash project. Jubilant Pharmova, which has received a US FDA approval for commercial batch manufacturing on line 3. That stock starts off with a gap up of about 3.5% as we speak right now. NTPC Green Energy, their subsidiary NTPC REL has won a 500 megawatt capacity. So look out for what that stock as well does. Diamond Power, a 53-odd crore rupee order. There's highway infrastructure as well. They've won an NHAI contract. And then Innova Capital, which has planned a 45 crore rupee Baddi expansion in Himachal Pradesh. Look out for what that stock as well does. Tega and Z, both those stocks which we just flagged off. For Tega, of course, they've approved a preferential allotment of roughly about 5 odd lakh shares. Starts off flat. And Z as well, neutral news flow. They've allotted about 21 crore warrants to promoter entity Sunbright Mauritius at 126 rupees per warrant. Z starts off with a gain of about 1.25% as we speak right now. Other than that, there's Oro Pharma, there's Kaplan Point, there's Misho as well, Natco Pharma. These are all stocks which are in focus as well, and they've started off a little bit in the red.
Well, yes, absolutely. Let me also quickly take you through some of the other movers. Ashanti Gears, where Tube Investments has picked up a stake, is up 8%, another 8% in fact. Sri Renuka is up 4.5% to 5%. So some of the sugar stocks continue to make moves this Monday morning as well, on the back of the moves that we've seen on Friday. You've got some of the movers which Aisha has highlighted. There's a TD Power in focus on the back of the stock split that the company has undertaken, and that is effective today. Of course, that impact seen on your screen. A mild bit of a cut even post the split is what we're seeing on the screen, at least at this point. Vishal Megamart, the stock is up 8.5% with the reappointment of the MD CEO, and therefore that stock is flying. Apollo Tyres, there's been an upgrade by UBS, and as a result of that, that stock is up 4.5%. Hexaware Tech, on the back of their AI Investor Day, is up 3.25% odd. Cyient is also up 3%, and so is Phenolex Cables. That's the other one which is actually holding up fairly well for itself. No big losers on the Nifty 500, and 3:2 on the advanced decline. Looking decent in terms of the market and the strength, Kunal.
Yeah, a good start, because we are back again to 24,300 mark, which was a earlier resistance zone for the Nifty in the near term, so which means the markets are just about trying to scale back or inch back towards the breakout of the resistance. Interestingly, the Bank Nifty is also very close to 58,000 mark, and that I believe could be the index to watch out for in case if the index breaks past out the 58,000 levels, is where I would believe that there could be a renewed momentum as well as vigor across many of the banking names. In terms of opening trade, one other sector which has been starting to look attractive is the metal pack. And from the metal stocks, I think Hindalco is something which starts to look attractive even at the current levels. The stock earlier correcting by more than 20% and now showing signs of recovery from 200 moving average as well as the levels of 940.